Good morning, guys. Yes, I did this in the morning, and I do apologize that my Monomer liquid and my acrylic and my brush, I don't know if three of them are not cooperating with me. I have a funny feeling it could be the brush that I got from eBay, and it could be anything really. It could be the thermometer, the acrylic liquid, from the temperature, from being hot inside my apartment, from cold, from outside. It could be not working right. I did learn that if you have like an ice pack, those brick ones, you could actually, wrap it up with a paper towel and stick it underneath your liquid. It should help you let your acrylic powder and liquid work a little bit slower to dry. And if it's too hot, it sets the acrylic and the powder faster if it's too hot. I have learned that from, wonderful nail techs, and I appreciate them for teaching us. And, and I just want to say, my other finger, my little one, like I was saying in the beginning, my liquid and my powder or my brush wasn't cooperating with me. And this here is not as messy. It's actually perfect when I am not recording. But for some odd reason, I guess I am that shy person on camera where we got messed up everything. But I just want to be straight blunt with you guys. Please do not attack me in the comments or, send rude things. But I am a beginner. I am not no nail tech. I am learning new things day by day from these wonderful nail techs, on YouTube and, in person. And I know some of them, they're very nice, and, some of them, teach me a lot. And I'm doing a voiceover because I do have music in the background and I will get copyrighted. So I do apologize about that. But other than that, like I said, this here may be a little bit sloppy, but when I file everything down, because I do have a nail drill in the bit, so when I file these down and everything, they will be perfect. But even than that, it's will be good. But on the other hand, I think I did pretty good job. I usually don't do the bead method, the 3 bead method, or whatever, I don't know, bead method they have all over the internet, but I just do what I feel like with my nail. Like in some days or some sets that I do, some are thick, some are thin, some are like perfect. So it's those days where I get perfect, and some days I don't get perfect. So it all depends. But I just want to do a voiceover, just be straight blunt with you guys, straightforward. And, I hope you guys like this video, and I do apologize. It's like 16 minutes and 53 seconds, and I do apologize about that. But in the future, hopefully at that time I'll be better, and maybe get a different acrylic powder. Usually I don't get this acrylic powder. It's from the same brand, but I don't get this acrylic powder. I wanted to try something different. I thought it was like the pink, like not the clear one I have on the nails now, but the other one, it's like the natural, but it's like a powder form, a powder, and I think I got the wrong one, and I do apologize that I don't know. But the other one that I had from them is the natural, and I really like that one. It comes out like natural. It blends with your hands and everything, and I have used it before. So I think it was the acrylic powder or the brush. I did use the thermometer before. Like, I did not have no problems. And thermometer, I don't know why I'm saying thermometer, but okay. Let's put it this way. Acrylic liquid. Acrylic liquid. Let's say acrylic liquid. And acrylic liquid, I did not have no problems at all. Like, I switched to this one because it was a little bit cheaper. And it was easy for me to actually work with. But with the warm coming in, with the warm and the cold, it's kind of doing me a little bit difficult. But, you know, I could work with it. And, you know, it's cheaper. But either than that, you know, I just want to be straightforward, you know, let you guys know. But I hope you enjoy this, and maybe in the future, I will be better. I just have to work hard. But I hope you guys enjoy this. Enjoy.